let us discuss this example. Okay, so we have to prove that this set U is not an open set in R2 with Euclidean distance. Okay, so let us see what is U first. Let us try to find, and then we will discuss how to prove it is not an open set. See, this inequality we have, we'll start with equality and we will try to find a curve. Consider, okay, or I will write, we know that x square minus y square is equal to 1 represents a hyperbola. Okay, it is a hyperbola. I will draw the diagram here so you can easily understand. Here is 1 comma 0, getting this point is 1 comma 0 and this point is minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0. So this type of hyperbola we have. Okay, and U is x square minus y square less than or equal to 1. That means we have to consider inner part. Okay, the region bounded by these two curves of hyperbola. Here U is a region bounded by two curves of hyperbola. Okay, so this is a region which is between these two curves of hyperbola. This is our U. So we have to prove that. So now I will write to prove that U is not an open set. Okay, see how to prove it is not an open set. What will we do? We will take one point of U and we have to prove for any R, open ball around that point does not lie entirely in U. This thing we have to prove. Okay, so let us take one point of U. What I'm going to do, see here z1 comma 0 belongs to U because so reason is, see, it should satisfy, this point should satisfy this condition, then we can declare it is a member of U. So let us check x square minus y square, which is x means 1 square, y 0 square, which is 1, and here less than or equal to 1 we have a condition less than or equal to 1. So condition is satisfied. So that's why we can say 1 comma 0 belongs to U. So that means this point is a member of U. So what I'm going to do, I'm taking one R, let R greater than 0 be any arbitrary radius. Okay, see, then we will prove that B with center 1 comma 0, open ball with center 1 comma 0, radius R is not a subset of U. That means for any R greater than 0, we have to prove it is not a subset of U. So how to prove one set is not subset of second set? We take, okay, I will show here. Suppose this is a radius. This is the open ball with center 1 comma 0 and radius R. Getting my point? So this radius is R. Okay. So see, it does not lie entirely inside hyperbola. It is going outside. If you reduce the radius, then also some part of ball will go outside the hyperbola. Okay, that's it, U. Getting my point? So in this way, so that means we have to find of circle or a ball which does not lie in this set U. Okay. So now consider, I'm considering one point. Now consider, I'm considering a point 1 plus r by 2 comma 0, which is element of R2. Which point I'm considering? 1 comma r by 2. See here 1 na, so 1 comma r by 2 will be here. Getting? I will show here. This point is 1 plus r by 2 comma 0. 1 plus r by 2 comma 0. So that means 1, we are adding something in 1, so it will go outside. 1 plus r by 2, 0. That means it is on x-axis again. Okay, so this point lies in ball but does not belong to this set. Okay, in this way I am going to prove this ball is not subset of U. But no more space is there. So I suggest you to make a screenshot of it. After that we will go further. See, now I will prove that this point lies in ball. Okay, how to prove that point lies in ball? So if distance of that point from origin is less than the radius, then we can declare it is a element of that ball. So let us find distance. Consider, see what I am going to do. I am going to find distance of that point 1 plus r by 2 comma 0 from center of ball, which is 1 comma 0. So you know well how to find distance in R2, where metric is Euclidean. So this is equal to, where shall I write? I will write here. So this is norm 1 plus r by 2 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0, which is equal to, so let us subtract. Component wise subtraction, we will have r by 2 0 comma 0 0. So this is equal to, you know how to find norm, square root of first r square by 4 plus 0 square 0. So which is equal to r by 2 if you take square root, okay, and r by 2 is less than r. So therefore what we get, distance of that point from center is less than r. So therefore this point 1 plus r by 2 comma 0 is element of that ball with center 1 comma 0 and radius r. Okay, so that means this point lies in ball. So now I will prove that. Okay, so this point is, okay, 1 comma 0 is here, huh? So now I will prove that this is not a member of U. This is not a member of U. See, let me remove it. Now consider, I will check the condition of U, x square minus y square. So let us find. What is x? X is 1 plus r by 2 square minus what is y? Y is 0. 0 square. You know the bracket expansion, 1 square 1 plus r square by 4. 0 is 0. So obviously it is greater than 1. Since we are adding something in 1, no? So we will have a number greater than 1. So therefore x square minus y square greater than 1 we have got. What we supposed to get, less than or equal to 1, but we are getting greater than 1. So therefore this point 1 plus r by 2 comma 0 is not member of U. That means this is member of ball, but it is not member of U. So that's why we can say this ball is not a subset of U. I will write, okay, don't worry, just make a screenshot of it. Okay, so therefore what can I write? This is element of ball, but it is not in U. So therefore what can we write? This open ball, okay, which is not subset of U, and this is true for each r greater than 0. Getting now? So therefore we can declare U is not an open set. Therefore U is not open in R2, obviously with Euclidean metric. Example is over here. You can make a screenshot of it. After that we will stop. Bye bye.